We appear out the double R, like we've been to Mars. That could be us. Just sit there, girl, say something. Don't just sit there. Don't just sit there, girl, say something. Life is like flowers until you cut it. It starts dying on contact, last touches. Never lives forever when it feels perfect.
My face is so tight. Look. Make sure y'all don't talk when y'all got this on y'all face. Oh. They'll probably be using sense. It just really just tightens your skin. Like, I can't smell. I feel like a wax doll. Alright, y'all, I'm about to rinse this off with some warm water. And then I'll just, like the last couple splashes of the rinse, I'll switch it over to, actually not warm water, cool water. Okay. And then I'll switch it over to more cool, like the last two splashes back up after I rinse it off. And then I'm gonna put on a moisturizer. And I'll come back to y'all. Okay, y'all. I did it. I see the natural glow. Y'all see this? I'm trying to give y'all different angles. Right? And I ain't even put my moisturizer on yet. Y'all better take care of y'all. Yo, that shit got so tight. Right? Make sure y'all get all of it off, okay? It got so tight on my face. I was like, what the hell? So now I'm about to just add on my moisturizer. So I'm gonna just put on some of the Olay with the SP15 serum in it onto my face. I'm sorry, y'all. I can't. Y'all know how I be having difficulties with this phone, especially since I'm not around my stuff. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of moisturizer and just rub that in. Just take some of the moisturizer and I'm gonna just rub it in, as if I would do, like I'm doing a facial. So I did rub the Seamoss like this. However, I did not do all of my massaging technique normally do because I didn't want to overdo it. Never put your moisturizer right underneath your eye either. Okay. Massaging your face and you coming in like this is a bone right here, and that's what you're gonna follow, right? And then what you can do is just, you feel like you need moisturizer underneath your eye, you can just smooth it out, because that also tightens up the